Realize that life is a learning curve, so you never have to be dissatisfied with yourself because you're doing as well as you can at this moment. If you could be doing better, you would be. So being self-critical then is always arbitrary. If you could be better, you would be. The fact that you're not means you can't right now because you haven't reached that goal yet. To be forgiving towards people who cut in on you in traffic. Just as you're pulling up, a car pulls right in front of you, and you have to be angelic not to curse the guy, you know, right? How many of you bless a person who pulls in front of you in traffic? Any hands? Well, this is a truthful group. A truthful group. It's hard to bless the person who pulls in front of you. But let's try that as a group experience. Henceforth, if somebody's rude to you in traffic and pulls in front of you, forgive them for being somewhat impaired. Well, they lack being gracious and thoughtful. On the other hand, maybe they got to go to the bathroom, you know what I mean? Maybe they're intoxicated. But we could practice in traffic. See, it's one thing to be spiritual on Sunday morning in church with all the hymns and the music and all that. It's another to be spiritual when you're in the middle of traffic. So that would be a good exercise we could do as a group.
You're saying that because you don't drive.
Well, I was a cab driver for years. I drove a cab, I drove a truck. And, all right, we could do that because, you know, being holy roly in church is easy. The hymns and the music and the organ, and everybody's also goody pie. Next time, all right, so that could be a practice. It could become a practice that we recommend. New people want to come in the group, we'll tell them, yeah, well, listen to what the rules are. You have to be loving and gracious and forgiving towards everybody in traffic, no matter what they do. Even if they pull up in front of you and slam the brake on, you still have to be forgiving. That's a good discipline, right? Anybody can be forgiving in church and pious and holy and all that really holy-poly business. Happiness is a destination.